Okay, so for today, I have an updo for everyone. A Regency era, Jane Austen, Bridgerton realness. That is what we are serving today. And so before we start anything, I just want to let you guys know that I've already washed and blown my hair, and I've used the product Family All-in-One Hair Care for all hair types. So my curls are looking real good right now. And we're gonna get into it, okay? Let's make our Bridgerton dreams come true. All right, friends, the first step in this look, the first step to the rolling hills of Yorkshire, Bridgerton, Mr. Darcy, all of that, is we're going to take 2 tendrils of hair from right next to your neck. We're going to get it from underneath. And they should be about, let's say like maybe 2 centimeters in width. And then next you're going to want to braid them. Okay, so now you're gonna have these 2 lovely little braids, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna take your hair and you're gonna wanna pull it back, right? So you're gonna get a little fluff on top, okay? That's what we're looking for. We're looking for some nice volume there. You're gonna take both braids, okay? And you're just gonna twist them around, all right? And depending on how long your hair is, I have pretty long hair, but it doesn't go all the way. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna take a bobby pin, and where the end is, you're just gonna pin that in. Use as many pins as possible. I am a big aficionado of bobby pins, okay? You can never have enough. Would you rather want your hair falling out or being super tight? Come on. So here's the next part. So the next part is a little simpler. So you're just gonna do a half up, half down. So you're gonna need a hair tie. Any hair tie will do. So you're gonna take half up, half down. So yeah, you're just gonna do this. Okay, so the next step you're gonna do is you're gonna take a tendril of hair from the half up, half down, and then you're just gonna curl it right around your finger. And it depends on what kind of curls you have. For me, this method works well, but some people like to spin it, like do a corkscrew. So once you do that, then you're gonna take your lovely bobby pin and you're gonna stick it through the center of the curl, and you are going to pin it in. And then you're gonna do that 100 times over for all the curls. So here we go. Okay, so I have finished pinning in the curls that were in the half up, half down. Now we're gonna get to bigger parts. So this part, I want you to section out your hair. Again, if you have a comb, feel free to use it. I use my nails. So let's go. So I'm gonna section out here. Okay, so the next step. So you're gonna wanna leave these 2 strands out for what we're gonna do next. So you're gonna take your Family Hair Care product and you're gonna lather the strands with them just to really define the curls, because this is what everyone is going to be seeing. So just take a little bit of product in between your fingers, and then you're just gonna, you're just gonna pull that through. And then this is my favorite part. Depending on what kind of curls you have 2 options. You can either corkscrew it. See, I don't have that kind of curl, so it doesn't work for me. Or you can do kind of what I was doing with the rest of my hair, which is spinning around your fingers. I almost use it like a curling wand a little bit without the heat. I just hold it for a second and then I let it drop. And yeah, so it's definitely a lot more, obviously you can see the difference. This one is a lot more defined than that one. Okay, so now that we've used some Family Hair Care just to tame the frizz a little bit, next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna give the illusion of those lovely little baby hairs that everyone has in the Regency era. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna, same thing before, curl around your fingers, oh, and stop halfway like this. You see that lovely little baby hair that we're going for? That is the look. So yeah, of course you're gonna take your bobby pin, because this look is all bobby pins. And you're just gonna pin that up there. And it should look something like this. And now we're gonna do the top one. And now what you're gonna do is with the bobby pin or with your nails or even the crochet needle, whatever you feel comfortable, you're gonna just pull a little piece out, just like that. Okay, so then what we're gonna do, so once these are out, we're gonna take 2 little pieces from here. This is the hard part, so make sure they're little. Don't go too big. You're gonna take 2 little pieces from here. So again, we're gonna use we're gonna use our favorite to define these curls. All right. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, like look at that. Like look at the difference, so much better. Okay, so here's the next step, it's what we did before. You're gonna take your little curls and you are just going to make them even littler curls. Now this next part is optional, but you have two options. So you can either do a headband like this, and if you don't have a headband that's like this one, what you can do is you can go to the store, dollar store, and you just twist the headband and it becomes a headband like this one. Or you can go a little fancier. We're going to the ball, or are we going to the countryside? I decided to go to the ball today. So we're gonna do this lovely flower crown. So you're gonna put it in the middle, right over like where you put the braided crown. And here it is. Here is the finished look, guys. So you're ready for the ball. You're ready for your Mr. Darcy, Mr. Rochester, get your dance card punch, go out there, all right? You are the diamond of the season. Okay, let me just show you a 360. Okay, well, I hope you have a good time creating this look. And remember, I used Family Hair Care to define my curls. So anyway, thank you guys for joining me, and I hope you like the tutorial.